Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best Learning English. Today in this video, we will learn prepositions of place with pictures. We will learn some preposition of place. First, in, inside. On, under, over, above, between, among, near, close to, far, next to, beside, behind, in front of, opposite, at, into, towards, up, now let's practice all the preposition with example sentences. First, in, inside. The cat is in the box. The cat is inside the box. On. The book is on the table. Under. He is under the table. Over or above. The kite is under the tree. The kite is above the tree. Between. The strawberry is between the two jars. Among. The strawberry is among the jars. Near. The owl is near the box. Far. The owl is far from the box. Next to. The bear is next to the chair. Behind. The rat is behind the box. In front of. The bicycle is in front of the house. Opposite. The parrot is opposite the crow. At. She is at the bus stop. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and like for me.